Crochet Tutorials by Miarti. How to cast on a multiple of 6 stitches easy foundation. Crochet row 1 double crochet stitch tutorial across the chain. Crochet row 2 puff stitch instructions pulling up yarn loops. Puff stitch crochet pattern repeat process step by step. Crochet row stitch closing pattern repeating to the end. Single crochet back loop only row 3 instructions for texture. Crochet row 4 puff stitch cluster pulling up 3 loops. Puff stitch cluster row ends technique guide for beginners. Crochet row stitch progression pulling up 5 loops together. Single crochet row 5 tutorial working across every stitch. Crochet pattern repeat instructions from row 2 to row 5.